Whether we like it or not, there is a problem.
Finally, wahala ti pada jam network. And Edo man just escaped pine from Fulani S-men. Are they S-men? Fulani, they are Fulani hunters. What do you want to make I call them? Fulani hunters, that they are hunting hunters. One hunt kakiri. All the cities, all the regions in Nigeria, you want to hunt, but they claim they have 19 states. So no bush, ni nothing. Well, I don't want to go there. They just, this one man, watch a bus stand and a door man who was okay, he just escaped. Though I'm metani. I'm not to pack on. Pastor she was alone. But won't escape. But to my surprise, only one fi adare on ìgbà tí àdá ò ṣiṣẹ́. Well, you will just listen to him, just hear from him. That will be better. She not like this go the day. We still have country, sha. Or we still have elders and leaders in that country, in that Nigeria. Or maybe the leaders of Nigeria, the government of Nigeria. She want to pay and one citizen in Luyensa. You know, sometimes they might not remember that the country they are governing have citizens. I don't believe these people know that there are people called Nigerians. You know, Nigeria, they are just to wake up. Colossals of assembly. Kon de shaye. Kon de toju awon omo won. I am not sure. Please let us be. Let us think about it. Oh, you sure say these people remember say Nigeria get citizens? I'm not sure. Please, let's hear from this lady. Before we have many videos here to play, but let's hear from this lady first.
I do not have a village anymore because of Fulani headsmen. Every day, Fulani headsmen are unaliving people. My mother, we could not bury my mother. When my mother to give it 2 months because the whole village was surrounded by Fulani headsmen. Kogi is gone. Benue is gone. Every day, Agatu people are running from their village because Fulani headsmen are attacking them. 2 months. When we buried my mother, we went to the soldier with the police.
This thing is getting out of hand, you.
My mother is an important human being in that village. The first woman to earn an educational degree. The first woman to go to College of Education in a village. So when she, you would expect that the whole crowd will be sitting by my mother's grave. But what did we have? When we came, the village was gone. Nobody was there. Only few people had gone and were waiting for us. And if not for tradition that the body must return back to the ancestors, where the ancestors are, we would have not buried my mother in the village. We came, the grave was already dug. We put my mama inside grave, pray, and we got out of the village immediately because we had that Fulani headsmen were coming. But Uromi 16, you guys are defending hunters. You're saying the gun is licensed. They went from Katsina to Port Harcourt to hunt. So you can go from Katsina to Port Harcourt to hunt. Did the state of Port Harcourt give those hunters an allocation site for them to hunt? Do they have approval from the Port Harcourt state government for them to hunt in Port Harcourt? Or people can just leave their states in the north and go to the south and the southwest and the middle belt to do whatever they like. Fulani headsmen must stop. The government must stand up. The middle belt is gone. People will be sleeping in the night. Fulani headsmen will come and attack people and unalive them and steal their properties. When did we get to that point? If you're fighting for Uromi 16, you must fight for the justice of the middle belt. You must fight for the justice of the Fulani headsmen that move from place to place, unalive people. You cannot be selectively biased. You cannot come from the north and be pissed off that 16 of your brothers was unalive when every day people in my village were unalive and you said nothing. You said nothing.
Imagine this. Ó ní òun ò ní ìlú mọ́. Ó ní òun ò ní ìlú mọ́. Fúlàní ti gba ìlú lọ́wọ́ wọn. Wọ́n lọlé lọ sìn yẹ́. Ẹ gbọ́ ẹni tó pè ìyá ẹ̀. The first woman tó dún kíní. àwọn ọmọ lọ sin ìyá wọn ò lè dúró nílùú olóńkà máa sá lọ. There is a video here that I want to play because of my Yoruba people. I will still play the Edo man's video, but because of my Yoruba people, that when you will talk, Abu Shilamu, you think it's about ẹ̀sìn. Àánú yín ṣe mí. Àánú yín ṣe kíni? Àánú yín ṣe mí. Tèmi ṣọlọ́run. Ṣebí àwọn kan náà ti gbàlú lọ́wọ́ wọn yìí sìn. Tán láwọn ò rí lédè sí mọ́. Now, I will play a video for you. Please, gbogbo obìnrin tó bá wà bíbí. Mọ́nà pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́. Watch this. This thing is getting out of hand. It's now terrible. I wish Nigeria government would stand up and do something before it's too late. I wish they would do. Would they do anything? Would they? Would they? They are so biased. Let's hear this woman.
I saw horror. Wallahi tallahi idan abu yana kama da Yawm al-Qiyamah. Allah ina gan shi when I was in captivity. I saw that. I saw horror. I still have nightmares, bad nightmares. Sai an rike ni har yau har gobe. Akan horrors din da na gani. Akan horrors din da na gani. That's why I left Nigeria. That's why I'm here. But wallahi tallahi, if you have not been through what we've been through, a lot of us that have been in captivity and been raped multiple times by terrorists, you would not know. You would not know the pain. You would not know the agony. Nobody stood. Nobody believed me. Nobody said anything. Nobody helped me. No one. No one. And that's what's happening right now to our children. That's what's happening right now to our children. They're being killed. Nobody's believing them. Nobody's saying anything. I'm angry. Nobody's accepting any refugee from northern Nigeria. Nobody. I was raped. I was raped. I was raped by terrorists. I was raped. I was naked. I still have marks on my arm. I know what's going on. I know the pain. I know the pain.
La ilaha illallah. La ilaha
That is a sister. That is a woman. That is a mother like me and you. I purposely play this video because of my Yoruba people. Tí wọ́n brainwash yín pẹ̀lú ẹ̀sìn. When we say anything about security, they say wọ́n bá Sílámù jà ni, Ọbú Sílámù. So ipò lo hijab sórí, àbó ipò lo hijab sórí. Ó ní wọ́n jí òun gbé. Ó ní wọ́n bá òun sùn. So pé hijab wà lórí ẹ̀. Ó ní wọ́n bá òun sùn. Ó dẹ̀ gbóyìnbó ẹnu ẹ̀. Bó ṣe fluent, kò kí ń ṣe òyìnbó Yorùbáwùyí. Now tell me, who else? Lele yo le ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. Please share this video. Let the world say this. Imagine what this man is saying. Kó tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn, ó sì ṣẹlẹ̀. See àwọn ọ̀dọ́ nísìn, now happening to the children. She ran out of Nigeria to America. Many of us are here. To go back home na wahala. Wọ́n nílé làbọ̀ sí mi oko. Ilé tí ń laná. And we are saying, ẹ jẹ́ ká dá dúró. If you watch the video I posted 2 days ago, that lady tó ní wọ́n tó ṣí ara ẹ̀ tó ṣó gbogbo ara ẹ̀ yẹn, ọmọ bàbá ẹlẹ́bùúbọn ni. oyin kan wọn nìyẹn ó ní wọ́n ṣá gbogbo ara ẹ̀ yẹn ó ní wọ́n fẹ́ fi tipátipá bá òun sùn wọ́n bá pa òun sùn ṣùgbọ́n ó lóun wà nínú oyún. ó sọ ń bẹ̀ ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá wo fídíò yẹn pé landlord tó jẹ́ neighbor òun wọ́n ṣá wẹ́lẹ́wẹ́lẹ́. àwọn ọlọ́pàá táwọn lọ pè I don't need to summarize it for you, just go and watch it. I posted it 2 days ago. Shey na like this e go dey. If you know the agony, the trauma this woman is going through. Woman don't joke with rape. Tí wọ́n bá fi tipátipá bá obìnrin sùn, obìnrin ò kí ń gbàgbé ọjọ́ yẹn. And this is what this woman will live with. Títí di ìgbẹ̀yìn ayé ẹ̀. Ó máa wà traumatized. Anytime tó bá rí ọkùnrin ẹyọkan àbí méjì, ayé ẹ̀ máa já bákan. So máa bílí kó tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí òun nígbà yẹn, ó tún fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ sí òun ni. Before kí obìnrin tó lè bọ́ta and say this out. Wípé wọ́n fi tipátipá bá òun sùn kóbi tó lè pa ìtìjú mọ́ra ẹgbẹ́ ẹni kò ń ṣaṣá oníjàbù ni kó tó lè pa ìtìjú mọ́ra wá sọ ohun tó sọ yìí say no be play no be àkàrà o no be mọ́mọ́ín no be dùndù. Let's go to the man tí wọ́n jí gbé. But before I go there, please put thumb up on this show. Ẹ bá mi tẹ thumb up lórí show yìí. Ẹ subscribe to YouTube channel mi. Don't worry, we will all be fine. We will be okay. Mo ti wá pé orí show ni mo wà, so we will be okay. Let's listen to. Ẹ bá mi thumb up lórí show yìí, ẹ bá mi share. Let's listen to this man.
All of them are Fulani. Wake mara no rama na. Give Bambinera bread now.
Give Bambinera.
Oh, power my we guy now. We guy your mama bad one now. Na bush you follow come outside now. The current contract for the do me like this. And then you said the contract no dey enter. You hold my hand like this. Say make I do about myself. I drop follow and drive down. The contract go call me.
Thank you, Jesus. Oh,
big that when all your big ball, your move. Like we like me one. Oh, 7 of them. More like I know how to I call it here by this time. This man don't suffer.
For night you escape by night.
No, not for night. This one they don't kill you.
Oh, like it.
Na night. I don't carry. They just they come outside now. If I make better choice. Sorry, I mean, one after coming the may recover. Fulani all of them.
He just said now, but when they come out, they want one. Anybody
see me like this. See Samaria. See father this side. See the other man. See the other man. Now me with Samaria sit down like this. That's why I don't hear my back. Go. Go to yes, that's Samaria. Go to me. All of them, they go to laugh. After 5 minutes, he said, make everybody open your eye. Now they see so. And father say, oh, you don't finish. You don't finish. The Samuel don't die like that. They just leave all those he sent for the entire mouth. Then they look at like this. He say, me. And today, me I don't go pass today. I say, okay, everything I go get her.
Not so.
The tracker is
we are not staying anywhere like that.
But when we sleep here today, they will carry us, go near Ebele. Now that side, now we will go sleep again.
For daytime. One until they move.
Maybe something 4 o'clock. In the evening time.
There's a car go hospital.
This guy does machine.
Machine de okay, Bele. They don't call them.
This is kidnapper. Go gonna kidnapper Musa. I tell you. They got a daughter. They got a daughter. They go out. Over here. What you consign it? What you consign it?
That man yẹn ò lè rìn dáadáa mọ́. See him back, see as he bend. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ lù pa nínú igbó torí Ọlọ́run. Irú àwọn ẹ̀hànnà wo là ń bá gbé báyìí torí Ọlọ́run? Irú àwọn ẹ̀hànnà wo là ń bá gbé báyìí? Tó bá wá pẹ̀yìn wọ́n máa wá rẹ́rìn. Please, kí ló máa ń pa wọ́n lẹ́rìn náà tó bá ti pààyàn? Because we have many videos tó yẹ pé kò kí ń ṣe show online. After tó máa pààyàn tó wọ́n á record wọ́n máa wá rẹ́rìn. Wetin dey make them laugh? They derive joy. Nínú kí wọ́n pààyàn. Nínú kí wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn lẹ́kún. Nínú kí wọ́n sọ ìbànújẹ́ sínú ilé àwọn èèyàn kan. Bóyá na Pamela bí na Samela tí màá yí dárúkọ ń sìn. Is one person husband o. Bàbá àwọn ọmọ kan ni o. Ọkọ obìnrin kan ni o. Ọmọ obìnrin kan tún ni. Because no matter how old he is, àbí he was, ìyá kan ló bí, bàbá kan ló bí, òun náà jí láàárọ̀ nsìn, kò lásìdẹ́ǹtì, kò jábọ́ látorí kẹ̀kẹ́, kò jábọ́ látorí ọ̀pẹ, wọ́n ní wọ́n jókòó, ní wọ́n á kó wọn. So this boy sọ fáwọn ará ọdẹ ìlú ń sìn, wọ́n á lọ sọ fún ìyàwó Pamela ńlẹ́ ń sìn pé wọ́n ti fìbọn fọ́ orí ọkọ ẹ̀. Màá wá dáre. Ama wa dáre. Ama wa dá ama ṣe nǹkan. Nǹkan máa ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà báyìí. Well, ẹ jẹ́ kí n pa yín lẹ́rìn. You know I love putting smile on people's face. I don't want us to get hypertension on this platform. There is something that's funny to me there. Nínú video yìí. Just put whatever that is funny to you in this video, this particular video of this man that escaped. Ẹ bá mi kọ sí comment section. But what funny to me ni wípé, but the man yẹn sọ wípé wọ́n fi àdá rẹ́ orí òun píhùn pé àdá yẹn ò wọlé. Obìnrin kan ní thank you Jesus. Abeg, ẹ bá mi wá contact mai. Church ibi tó ń lọ. Tí wọ́n ti fi àdá bẹ́ orí ẹ̀ tí àdá ò wọlé. Bóyá láyọ̀ ta lára gan. Ẹ má yẹ kí n sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Honey, thank you, Jesus. And Sunday tó ń bọ̀ nsìn, máa yóò kó máa lọ sí church máa lọ ṣe Thanksgiving o. Àbí? Ṣé kò ní ṣe Thanksgiving? A lọ ṣe Thanksgiving ní church. Please, ẹ bá mi download tap send. Ẹ lo promo code mi, Abiola TTS. Ní àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́ bá kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ jowó sílé. Promo code yẹn máa gba bonus lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ yẹn. Tẹ́ bá ti forúkọ mi sí. Ẹ má fi YORUBAWUYI sí o. Abiola TTS òun lẹ ń wò yẹn. Àní ṣìrìn o. App yẹn direct deposit àwa ń ṣe. Mo fi send owó anywhere. Sí Nàìjíríà láti anywhere tẹ́ bá wà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ wo ọmọ àlè kan. But before then, lórí Sahara Reporter, X-Men overrun farm settlements, occupy homes and schools in Enugu, Eha, Amufu amid government silence. Wọ́n ní àwọn X-Men wọ́n ti lọ sí school kan ní Enugu. X-Men overrun farm settlements, occupy homes, schools and in Enugu, Aha, Amufu amid government silence. X-Men. No fewer than 44 farm settlements known as Indiagu has been overrun with residents forced to flee the homes and seek shelter in neighboring communities. A devastating trial of destruction and the displacement has been left in the wake of relentless attacks by assailants suspected to be X-Men on farm settlements in Eha Amufu is also local government area of Enugu State for years. So now let's say this boy. Àwọn tí à ń bá gbé ni. Just watch what happening. Don't mind that you don't understand Islam. Watch. Surprise.
Okay. Kace ka gaya mana cewa ana koya muku bindiga. Su wa da wa suke koya muku bindiga?
Mutane su biyar.
Su biyar? Za ka yi kira mana sunayen? Ali. Shehu. Umar. Alhaji Shehu. Malam Oro. Su ne su biyar din. Okay, su biyar suke koya muku bindiga. Kuna da yawan da suke koya muku bindiga?
Za mu ga mu 30.
Dukan ku yara irin sayunka ko kuma wanda suka girme ka, wanda kake girme su?
Sa'a na dai kamar na gaba da ni.
Kamar kai na kasa da kai kaɗan, sayunka da kuma na gaba da kai. Wurin jeji ne ko kuma gari? Jeji ne wurin? Yanzu aka baka bindiga aka ce ka warware, za ka yi warware? Za ka iya? Ba shi bindiga mu gani ko shi.
I don't see her. Ẹ má ṣe kíní jà, ẹ má play orin òṣì yín, ẹ má kàn fún yàn ní kíní jà, ẹ má play orin ìyá, orin ìranu yín jà rẹ, ẹ má play orin òṣì kí ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ sórí orin tẹ́ ń play. Ẹ má play orin, ẹ má gba ìpè o, ẹ má gba ìpè pẹ̀lú orin tẹ́ ń play o. Ẹ máa wo tó mọ̀ yín.
Iya wanda ka iya? Iyaka? To ka haɗa mu gani.
Ka je ka yi wanka tukuna, ina wanka na gama zai shiga. Sai ka freshen up. yanzu yi maka tambaya mana. Dubi bakin bindigan nan. Me suka koya muku cewa shine aikin wannan gefe?
Wajen harbi ne duk abin da za ka harba in ka sashi a nan sa ka samu.
In ka sa ina?
Ano. In ka duba shi haka. Ka sashi a tsakiyar nan za ka buga.
Yanzu za ka harbi wannan kwadon nan. Za ka harbi nan. Ka gwada mun gani. To shikenan ka aje shi. Aje shi. Ka iya bude wannan? Bude shi mu gani. Cicire shi mu gani. Yayi sassaka su sake same da su.
Ẹ dákun ọmọ tẹ́ ń wò ṣé kìí ṣe kídì ni ọmọ yìí máa tó ọmọ ọdún mélòó ọmọ yìí máa tó ọmọ ọdún mélòó òun ló tó èké yìí òun ló tó èké ó tú kalẹ̀ ó tó padà. Kódà ọmọ 80 years mi nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tó bá rí sójú báyìí a máa ṣẹ́ ìtọ̀ sára ni àwọn eléyìí ti sọ́dún jẹ wọ́n ti rí bí normal thing láì ṣe sójà ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá gbá Hausa ẹ bá wa tú ẹ bá mi tú sí comment section ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá gbá Hausa kí ni ń sọ
Whether we like it or not, there is a problem. We need to discuss the problem. We are disagreeing with ourselves and we have every reason to disagree. The North, before now, is saying we don't believe in separation. But as I'm standing, I'm telling you that if there's going to be separation tomorrow, the North is ready for it. We are also ready. Let's go our either ways. And I'm telling you this with all sincerity. Northern Nigeria before now do not want to hear anything separation. But as of today, as I speak to you, the North is equally ready to leave. Please disagree with me, but I will speak. This is why we are here. This is why we are here. Good. Let us discuss the controversy and let us find a solution to the problem.
Please allow him. Please allow him.
This is why we are here. If you disagree with me, come up and give your position. This is my position. This is the position of Northern Nigeria. So if you disagree, make your position known. Yes, we should create. There should be a room for discussion. Call it national conference. Call it national conference. Call it restructuring. Call it whatever. I agree that we should come to a round table and discuss Nigeria and discuss the way forward for Nigeria. I agree that we are disagreeing. I agree that there's a problem.
There is a problem. There's fire on the mountain. I bet fire not even there on top mountain again. There is fire inside the mountain. Bye. There is. Why you saying make this man no talk? Please, if you want, make this man speak louder. kó sọ̀rọ̀ sókè wípé ká dá dúró kó ní kálukú pín. Please raise up your hands in the comment section. We never can tell who will see this video. Please share this video. The northerners are saying káwọn dá dúró. Kí wá ló dé báyìí? Ọmọ ẹni ò ṣe ní bẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀. Àwọn náà ti náà pariwo káwọn dá dúró ìyàbọ̀ olùgbà tó máa pa everybody tán ni. Ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ fídíò tí mo mú wá lánàá tó pé Sọ̀ǹda ni wọ́n yọ. Àwọn àgbákò ogi tó bá báyàn lẹ́yìn ọrùn èèyàn dẹ̀ yọ ké. Tí igi bá báyàn ní ẹ̀yìn ọrùn èèyàn á sun ké. For how long do we continue living with these people? Hey, tí màá yẹn ò bá ní ohun tí wọ́n tó ń rẹ lọ́rùn àtàtọ́pọ̀ ní thank you Jesus. Tí ò bá ní nǹkan lára wọ́n á ti rẹ́ orí tiẹ̀ náà jábọ̀ o. How do they enjoy killing people? How? These people are monsters. So. But how do they derive joy in doing that? But àti wọ́ kí ló dùn máa rí kó wa yọ ni. Please. Ẹ bá mi tẹ thumb up lórí show yìí. Let me see your opinion in the comment section. Ṣé fẹ́ ká dá dúró? Ṣé ká pín? Kó ní kálukú lọ ń lò ẹ̀. Torí mi Yorùbá lè máa bẹ́yàn lórí bẹ́yàn lọ́rùn báyìí. Dó àwọn ẹ̀hànnà kan náà kọ̀ọ̀kan ti wá ní Yorùbá o. Many of them náà àwọn tó wà many of them wọ́n báyà wọn sùn nínú igbó náà ni. Yorùbá ń pààyàn báyìí. See you on my next show. If you are coming across this page for the first time, I am the one and only Akalolo of Yoruba land. Adáwọ̀nlé Yorùbá. Ọmọ jọmọlọ Yorùbá tí ó pè méjì. Abẹni ọmọ òṣèré pààrọ̀. Ẹni tó máa pààrọ̀ ti wá déwájú federal government tó máa sign ni ó máa déwájú Elédùmarè. That is to say, I could be 99 times yes. Ọlọ́run máa jà bó lórí burúkú dòwò pọ̀. A ti fa wèrè lọ́yàn o. Wèrè náà gba gìrì lé báyìí ni. Ó ń lé wa. Ẹ̀yin àgbàlẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ fọwọ́ lẹ́rùn ẹ̀ ń wò. Ẹ̀yin ọba ẹ̀ ń bára yín jà. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ṣọ́ba náà ẹ̀yin náà ń ṣòṣì. Ẹ̀yin jà sẹ́sìn. Àwọn tó máa pa ìpè jágba Yorùbá nation ẹ mú wọn dání ẹ̀ ń gé wọn jẹ. Mi regret pé mo jọmọ Yorùbá. I never regret it. Ṣùgbọ́n ojú rẹ̀ ràn rẹ̀. Èèyàn kì í sọ fún ọmọdé kó má dẹ́tẹ̀ tó bá ti lè dánú gbógbé. Ojú rẹ̀ ìran rẹ̀. See you on my next show. Thank you. I love you. Ó dàbọ̀. Bye bye.